Good morning, guys. I just made my oats for this morning. This is my classic maple syrup and nut butter combo. This has been my go-to recently. I know people say oats are supposed to keep you full for a long time, but I'm starving 30 minutes after I eat this. So honestly, I don't even know if I recommend this as a breakfast, but honestly, I'm not complaining. If I'm hungry in 30 minutes, then I get to eat more delicious food. So no problems here. Just a little bit of confusion. Also, I'm Amber, if you didn't know me. I live here in New York City in this apartment, usually with my sister, Ashley, and sometimes my brother Andrew when he's visiting, but right now everyone is out of town except for me. I've been abandoned. So we're gonna have a little day of solitude together. Honestly, I'm pretty excited. I feel like when no one's home, I get the most stuff done, and I have to be brave and go outside by myself, which always feels like a big deal. Also, look how thick this oatmeal is. Ooh. Oh my God, I was actually afraid. She is very thick today. I'm on my own for a few days and I was worried that I was gonna be bored by myself, but I actually have a lot of stuff to do. I have some housework to get done. I wanna do some goal setting for 2025. Since it's January, I feel like I need to type out my yearly list of thoughts and ideas. I wanna go out and try some New York City restaurants by myself. We'll see what I'm brave enough to accomplish on my own. So for now, I'm gonna get started with my tasks, like in the game Among Us. That moment when you're a crewmate and you're doing your tasks, I'm not sus, I promise. Yes, I'm bringing Among Us references into 2025. Yes, 2025 is the year of bringing back Among Us. Who's with me? Anyways, let's do this. This was so heavy. I think this was literally like 100 pounds. This is my new dresser that I just ordered and it came early. I wasn't expecting it for another week. Shout out USPS. I got this because I'm thinking of redoing my room soon. As you saw earlier, the Josh Hutcherson walls are getting a little old and a little bit freaky and I think I'm over it. So I'm overdue for a refresh. I don't know if I'm gonna build this today, but I think very soon I'm gonna do like a room redecoration video, so that will be coming up soon because the Josh Hutcherson wall is starting to eat away at my mental health, honestly. Like, my room is so dark. This is what I've been living in for almost a year. This started off as a prank from Ashley and Kelly, but then I left it up way too long, and now I'm just pranking myself at this point because this is almost unlivable. I see him when I sleep. I have nightmares. It makes my room so much darker and more cluttered looking, so for the sake of my mental wellness, I think it's time for this to go. Not in this vlog, but very soon, I'll be doing a room redecoration. I want to look at Ashley's room because she's not here to stop me. Look at hers is so much cuter. And she has the nerve to give me the ugliest wallpaper of all time. Meanwhile, she gets to live in a little kawaii paradise. Not on my watch. But while we're still on the topic of wellness, I'm trying to do full body, mind, and spirit wellness for 2025, which includes my brain. My skin? Is this going where I think it's going? Yes, it is. Curology. Thank you so much, Curology, for sponsoring this video. You know I had to bring them into 2025. We're going on 6 years now of me and Curology. Wow. The most consistent thing in my life, honestly. This is my Curology custom formula. Basically, the way this works is you take a little quiz, send some photos of your skin to a dermatology provider, and they'll select active ingredients that suit you best for your own custom formula. These are my active ingredients. I just crossed out my address on there. This has been the staple of my skincare routine since 2019. There was a point in high school where I had really bad cystic acne. Here's some video evidence. Oh no. But now with Curology, those days are far behind me. I don't have any foundation or concealer on right now. This is my bare skin, and it feels like such a weight lifted off my shoulders to have blemish-free skin like this. I am indebted to Curology forever. And honestly, I think there's no better time to try Curology than right now. If you're interested, I'll have a link down below to check out Curology. But now it's almost 2 o'clock and a restaurant I've really been wanting to go to closes at 3. So I'm gonna try and sneak in there really quick to get some Japanese food that I haven't had in a long time. So shall we go on a little adventure together? A little solo date? You and I? Is it a solo date if you're watching me the whole time? I don't know, but I'm going to eat at this restaurant by myself and you're coming with me. Was so yummy. Hello, I am back home. It's nighttime now. Something else I've been meaning to do is fix my nails. I'm sure you've seen them. They're not looking too hot. These are gel nails that are almost 2 months old. And I could just go back to the nail salon, but I had my nails done every single day of 2024, so I think they're overdue for a little break. So I ordered this gadget on Amazon. This is a nail drill, so I can remove the gel nails. Here we have our little drill thing. Here's my little drill. And I'm gonna go like this. I'm afraid. I've never done anything like this. Let's see if it works. Why not work? Ooh, okay, it's working. I'm afraid. It's working, but now I really need to focus. Ew, I hate this. This is literally my nightmare. I hate this sensation. This is not it. That was the scariest thing I've ever done, and it felt so bad. Let's put acetone on these. My mom just tried to call me, and I missed it. Hello, Mom! It's been about 30 minutes, and my nails are finally off, and they're hanging on by a thread. This is not good. At least all the gel is off, but they are not looking too great still. So I've been trying to file them for a bit. Starting this year with a clean slate, even if that means the slate is ugly. I have pure jojoba oil. I know this is good for your hair, so it should also be good for your nails. Do a quick little massage. Hand massages are underrated. When they pull out the little hand massage at the nail salon, I'm like, I do pretty desperately want to paint them again to make them look better, but all I can find is this red. I'm not really in a red mood, and I think that would just be reversing everything that I just did. I need them to breathe a bit, so as painful as that is. And then, okay, I have this hand lotion from Aesop. I put way too much. Honestly, I should do like a hand spa where I put my hands in a plastic bag. You know how they do that sometimes? I do need that, honestly. Moisturized. Honestly, this is so great. Today was so fun. Even though I'm all by myself, I still had such a productive and meaningful day. I love it here. I had so much fun. I love doing my simple tasks, eating a little meal, snuggling up in bed at the end of the night. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Good night.